Mahilig bang magkamot or mag-lick ng po ang inyong mga fur baby? Or napapansin niyo ba na madalas ang soft stool nila? Parang wala silang gana kumain. Well, si Snappy, yes na yes, ganyan din siya before. That's why we've searched different brands that might help Snappy improve his overall well-being. Isa sa mga component na hinahanap ko as a fur parent is something that can help strengthen yung digestive health ni Snappy. I learned kasi upon researching na baka manifestation ng poor gut health or tummy issues ni Snappy kaya lagi siyang nagkakamot. Kasi kapag hindi okay yung tiyan nila, naaapektuhan yung digestion, immune system, and even their skin. And luckily, we discovered K9 Science Probiotics Meal Topper. Good thing this meal topper has probiotics, good bacteria that help improve digestion and make their tummy healthier. May probiotics din that help those good bacteria grow. Super easy pa siyang gamitin, just sprinkle it sa food lang ng ating mga fur baby. So if your dog has the same issues, this might really help. For as low as 8 pesos a day per scoop, you're not just helping your dog thrive but also saving yourself from the headache of searching for premium yet affordable supplements for your fur babies. And we can say that after using it consistently, napansin namin na mas okay na yung poop niya, less na yung pangangate, and mas ganado na siyang kumain. So, if you want to try this product, go and check the yellow basket.